Hi, I am Theo and I attended the workshop at the Wimbledon School of English. When I thought about signing in, I had plenty of options to choose from, like filmmaking, social media, architecture, law, medicine, and so much more. But I chose public speaking, presentations, and debate as it fits my desire the best. In these 6 weeks, I learned what to do and not to do while debating, how to do a presentation, and how to deliver a great speech. Through this workshop, I made international friends that share the same passions as me. The teachers were very welcoming and helpful, and I really learned from them. Now, I do not feel shy or pressured to speak up and say what I'm thinking. I know how to prove my point with strongly based arguments, and I learned how to enjoy speaking in English. It was an amazing experience, and I surely will never forget it.